Hello guys, welcome back. If it wasn't for this crazy pandemic, I'd be sitting at my favorite bar right now, sipping on an old-fashioned Manhattan or maybe even a Gold Rush. Oh, do you guys know what all these drinks have in common? If you sell whiskey, you're the kind of friend that I want to have. Today is National Whiskey Day. So much like my other video, I am bringing you guys a very easy recipe, something to get your mind off the crazy uncertain times that we're at right now. And if I can get you to smile or like have a little bit of fun, that's what I want. And well, without much further ado, let's begin. Well, actually, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to turn the notification button, blah blah blah. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's make an old-fashioned, and the brand that I chose this time is Old Forester. It's a favorite among bartenders, and it's a really great bang for your buck for an 86 proof Kentucky bourbon. So let's get to it. Start with a sugar cube, dump it in there. You need a little bit of water. Well, I'm sitting in my backyard, so I'm gonna use a bottle. Judge me. A little bit, just to splash it over the sugar cube. Noisy. And then you're gonna smash it. Perfect. Next, 2 to 3 dashes of bitters. Making a mess. That's how bartenders do it. And then 2 to 2.5 ounces of whichever whiskey you have. And I have a round ice cube in here because it was waiting for me to record, so get in there, yeah, and stir it. Like me and you order old fashions, I've gotten lots of weird looks for ordering old fashioned and being a girl. Like, a lot of people still think old fashioned are not girl drinks, so stir it until the drink's cold and all the sugar is dissolved. And what I'm gonna do next is add a extra touch, a flamed orange, because I like my drinks well done and I'm fancy. Nope, didn't happen because there's wind right now and I'm still recording. Ooh, I hope you guys saw that. It's amazing, and you get all the oils and smells, and you just boom, and dun dun dun, you have one of the most famous and iconic whiskey drinks. And this is a very nice glass that I got at Etsy. It's called Famous Whiskey Glasses, so if you guys want to check it, they're amazing. So hey, cheers, thanks for watching again.